guys, Friday morning, bright and early, still no snow in the whack. I think it's like plus, I don't know, I'm guessing here plus maybe 4 or 5, I'm guessing. Anyway, high of 10 today, I believe. Anyway, we're just on our way to, it's early morning, it's like, I don't know, anyway, there's our mountain view. This is a drive I see every day as I head into town. Right now, I am heading to the gym. I'm taking you guys with me. It's a side view of what's going on. So anyway, that's not where I'm taking you. I am going to the gym right now. I usually get to the gym every day at between 7:15 and 7:30, and I work out for a good hour and 15 to an hour and a half, 5 days a week. So we're headed over to the old Planet Fitness, place of the old people and young. Anyway, so yeah, so after that, we are taking you over to the paint booth to check out the parts we painted for the GTO last night. You can see on this side of me, there's the highway. So I'm literally, my house, I have an exit by my house. It's a 5-minute drive up the road. Either way, I have an exit we're driving to right now, which I don't need to get onto, and an exit the opposite way behind us, which leads me onto the highway. But out in this area where I live, they call it Greendale. It's all farmland, all on acreages, away from the town. This actually, the way we're driving right now, is taking us into the town. So for me to get into town of Chilliwack, it is roughly 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and I'm in the town of Chilliwack. So that's the nice thing. Out where I am, there is nothing around me except for a pub. That's all I have around me, absolutely nothing else. So anyway, we're gonna get to the gym, then we're gonna get to the paint booth. Okay guys, detour. We had to run back to the shop before we went to the paint booth for certain reasons. Anyway, this is what's going on. Mike's going to assemble and, well, install this engine to tranny and get it in his Model A today. So we'll keep you posted as we go. So this has all been gone through, rebuilt, ran good. I did post a video up on one of my short reels. If you go back and look, you'll see it running. So we'll get all that in there today. We're not going to put the rad or hood or any of that on. I'm going to take the radiator down and get it hot tanked and checked. Don't want to put it in there, then it leaks, and then you got to pull it all back apart. But we'll at least get something going here on the Model A today. All right. Okay, so now we will take off to the paint booth, and when we come back, Mike will have the car up and running. Okay. Okay, guys, here we are. Here's the trunk lid all done. The hood's all done. One of the valances, the other one I already set in the truck, so that is it. We're loading up some parts, moving parts out, getting things ready to get the car over here. Looking pretty good, super happy with it. Everything's looking nice. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, we're back at the shop. Just like I said, Mike's got the engine in just like that, less than an hour. Perfect. Looking good. Yeah. One day it'll run again. Not today, but soon. Beautiful. Okay. That's a good way to have a Friday end. Get the engine in the Model A. One less thing laying around here. Alright. And then my Model A is sitting here still. Don't know what we're doing on Sunday Fun Day. You got to stay tuned. We have 3 choices this Sunday. We can do a 55 gasser frame, we can do the Model A, or we can do the shoebox. Don't know. I got to see which one. Well, just got to see which one I want to go on to, I guess. We'll figure it out. All right, let's go check on Sean. We'll see what's happening there. We also got AJ fencing in today. They're putting some nice new fence up across here. We got rid of the chain link and we're going to a nice cedar fence in there. Beautiful. And I'm going to be working on this today, the 63 Chev. I'm going to try to spend most of the day, not most of the day, some of the day, cleaning this crap up, because you just, I need to weld to something, and it's got all that glue and shit on there. I got to get it off. And we've also got the glass guy coming down. We're putting windows in the GTO today. And I say Sean's working away here. He's working away on the truck door over there for the 55. Beautiful. And we've got all the '06 Chevy. It's all prepped. Primered it last night. We got it all prepped. It's ready to go to get ready for paint here. So we're going to be painting that up hopefully tomorrow. That's right. We are working tomorrow on Saturday. And then we've got the little Ford pickup that we did all the wiring on. That's going to be heading home here today. The owner's going to come and get it. And actually there's the front windshield right there for the GTO, brand new. There's nothing like new glass in a vehicle. I'm going to tell you, if you can afford to do it, if you're building a car and it's an older car, buy new glass. There is nothing like new glass. It's just top notch. Well, we just keep cutting and grinding, and look at the crap coming out of this truck. Oh, it is way worse than I thought it was. But it's fixable, but just way worse. I put a brace on here just to hold that in place. And I put a brace in there to hold it because we're going to be cutting all this away. We'll cut this a little further up. And there's a lot to redo. Got some of the goop off where I need to. I'm only decided I'm only going to take this stuff off where I need to weld those areas. I'll be here a lifetime trying to get this stuff off. This floor pan's getting replaced, so it doesn't matter. But to clean all this up, forget it. It's all solid under there. It doesn't matter. Just leave it alone. Unless the owner decides he wants me to do that. But yep, that's where we're at. We're just cutting and grinding and getting ready. Okay, we got the glass in the GTO. Glass is all in there. Got the chromes back on it. It's looking good. Looking real good. Got the rear window all up in there. The chrome's on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull this in the shop. Obviously it's Friday today. We're going to pull this in the shop on, I think, Tuesday. Tuesday we're going to run over it one more time with 600. Just spend, it won't even be the day, but let's say we spend the day on it, but we're not. Half a day. Run over it, make sure it's all good. And then we're going to take it over to the paint booth on Wednesday, and we're going to paint it on Thursday. And then we'll leave it in the paint booth over the weekend. Let it gas off for 3 or 4 days, and we'll bring it home. We'll decide from there if we're going to, start putting some chrome items back on it. And we got a decal kit that has to go on it too. The customer has brought me. So this car is probably 2 to 3 weeks out from going home. So that's okay. Well, you can see I put my new fence up here. Well, I didn't. AJ's Fencing did that. Thank you so much. So I just wanted the chain link gone. I wanted to have a gate here I can go in and out of, which I can lock too. But it saves me from opening the main gate, because my main gate, you all know, my driveway's right around that corner, and every time I want to get out into my field, I have to drive all the way around with the lawnmower now. Well, now I can literally just open the gate up here and go through there and not open the other gates. So that's a good thing. Plus I can hang some old cool signage on here, so I'm really looking forward to doing that. So I'm going to spend probably Saturday morning, tomorrow morning, cleaning up some of this crap and throwing some stuff out, seeing where we go from there. And don't forget the '69 McLaren. Some people are like, really? Well, it is not the real deal. If it was, it'd be worth huge money. But it is a retro, like a tribute car to that car. So it was made how it should be. So that's kind of cool. We're going to be on that next week, and you're going to get to see what we're doing there. Okay. So we've got Sean's got all the rockers all seam sealed, or they need to seam seal in the corners. He's got all that done. He's been working away on the inside part of the door for the 55 Chevy pickup, getting that all done. Everything's turning out good here. He's been working on some pieces over there. So we got all this stuff done, so we got to get this primed up. So it's been a busy week, real busy week, and we'll be back out here again tomorrow, Saturday. But not for any of you customers, not for any visitors. Saturday I don't work, but I will be out here for a little bit in the morning for a couple hours, just moving some stuff around, getting organized, and then away we go. Just sometimes I got to give Sean a hand, because it's a lot to lift by himself, right? So I come out here and help him for an hour or two, and then take off. But yeah, we're never open weekends for customers. The main hours that I'm here are Tuesday, in case anyone's watching, because some people have been asking me that are local. We are open Monday to Friday, 8 till 4. Sean is always here till 6, but the gate is locked at 4. Mike leaves at 4. I am here Tuesday to Friday, and I usually am here from 10 till 5. But still, I lock the gate at 4. we're kind of a mom and pop operation. We don't like a lot of people visiting, coming around. We got things to do. We don't mind if you stop in, but we're not here to, you know, we're not here to sit and chit chat all day. We got to get stuff done, and that's how we keep it going. We just do. So we're working away here still on this. I'm cutting into it now, getting out that front mount. So I'm just getting that out of there at the end of the day here before it's time to call it in. Okay, got quite a bit done on the old A body here today. Lots hooked up, distributor, wires, fuel, all the goodies, starter, belts. So we're going to take the rad down, get the rad checked out here maybe tomorrow or Monday, and then maybe one day next week, if not the following week, then we'll be able to put it together and away we go. Alright. Okay guys, that's it. That was a quick little video we threw in there for Friday, which we never do. You got to see what was kind of going on here. There's a lot going on. Just thought, what the hell, do a video, show a few things. So hey, I'm happy. The Model A got somewhere. It's very close. It may look like it's not, but it's very close. Still waiting on the tires. They should be here soon, hopefully. Anyway, we kicked it back outside. I'm going to tarp it up right now. And we brought the 76 K5 is back in the shop. Mike will be starting back on that on Monday. He's going to get this side all done, over with, get all that done, hopefully get the piece put in there, and hopefully get the piece put in here too next week. And one side's just done, and then we got the other side to do. But before we can do that, we got other jobs we got to do in between. And I know this gentleman wasn't in too big a rush, as long as he had it back for the springtime to be driving it. So with that being said, it is Friday today. I don't know when you're watching this video, but I know y'all look forward to Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day's coming. I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. So please don't expect too much on Sunday. It could be a good one, could be a bad one, but if you're bored out of your mind with it, it's all fine. Okay, see you on Sunday.